Let's learn the pronunciation, meaning, and the usage of the word on screen. The word is regime. It's a three-syllable word. Now let's break down the sounds. The first sound is re. A sound is like we say it in say, day, re. The next sound is j. This is j sound and then e. That's the second syllable and we stress this syllable. And in the end, m sound and e here is silent. Regime. Say it with me. Regime. Regime. Regime means a system or style of government, often with emphasis on authority or control. It often has a negative or critical tone used when talking about strict, oppressive, or long-lasting systems. Use the word regime when talking about the type, style, or nature of rule, not just the government, especially if it's strict or oppressive. Here are some sample sentences. The country changed its regime after the elections. The military regime was known for its strict laws and censorship. Some people protest against an oppressive regime. Now, can you make some sentences using the word regime? If you can, please share them in the comments. And would you like to know the difference between regime and government? If yes, please let me know in the comments and I will make the video on the difference. See you in another video. Bye.